Ladies and gentlemen, we are now beginning the boarding process of Flight ZZ123 to Zombieland. Welcome aboard, everyone. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit.
Funny zombies are flying in an aeroplane in the stormy sky with thunder and rain. They call the air hostess asking for a treat. Ah! Sit down! Please take your seat! Crazy zombies are flying in the sky, googly eyes zooming up high. They call the air hostess dancing around. She said, "Please sit down." Goofy zombies playing with the seat belts. Click, clack, breaking the belts. The pilot announced, and here's what he said.
Turbulence coming up, mind your head.
Loony crazy zombies are now playing tag. One zombie crazy yelling in a bag. The air hostess serves snacks and tea. These zombies are driving me crazy. Wacky loony zombies in the cockpit, dancing around the busy pilot. The cabin crew then called for help. Go to your seats, fasten your seat belts. All the zombies then sat on their seats. They stopped causing fuss and stopped with the screams. The plane went down and landing with a crash. Oh no! Oh no! What happened after that?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zombieland. The local time is 12 a.m. and the temperature is, well, we're not sure. We hope you enjoyed your flight with ZZ Airlines, and we look forward to seeing you soon again.